Okay, today we're going to talk about commission and total earnings. And commission is another term for application of percent. Let's go ahead and look at the definition of commission that's on your paper. Okay, so the definition is a percent of the amount of items that you sell for a company. In other words, a person is being paid to sell products for this company. Why do you think companies would offer commissions for employees to sell their product? Well, a reason why a company would do this is it's an incentive to spur on the sales of their employees. So in other words, they want their employees to work harder and sell more things for the company, so they'll give them a commission or a little bit of a bonus type of attitude or amount so that they'll sell more for their company. Can you think of any people who might earn a commission for a company? If you're thinking of maybe car salesmen, that would be one of them. So let me type that on, a car salesman. A lot of times, if you go with your parents to a car lot, you're usually approached by a salesman because they're going to get commission on the sale if they make a sale. If you go to the mall, a person working in the shoe department at Macy's will earn a commission on the number of shoes they sell. Let's see, I'm trying to think of someone else who might earn a commission. Oh, swimming pools. People who sell swimming pools could earn a commission. Can you think of anything else? If you can, write it down and bring it tomorrow with your notes. Okay, here is our formula. For a commission, you're going to take whatever the commission rate is times the sales. Now, it's very important that you understand the sales is the amount the company makes from the products. Okay, so if your parent or someone you know is in sales, they're working for the company to sell the company's product, okay? And they may have a commission rate of 5% or 8%, and they would get 8% of however much they sold. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this example. We want to find the commission rate on sales, we want to find the commission on sales of $3,200 with a rate of 5%, okay? So our sales equals 3,200, and my rate percent is 5%, but it's going to be 0.05 when I put it into the calculator. So we're going to type 3,200 times 0.05, and what will be the commission on that? It's going to be $160, and that's just the commission. Okay, now let's talk about total earnings, because total earnings involves the commission, but it also involves what we call salary, and salary is what a person makes, what they're being paid each week to work for that company, or each 2 weeks, or each month, however they get paid. So when we want to know what is my take-home amount, what money do I take home with my check at the end of the week, I want to be able to figure my commission and add it to my salary. So you see the formula right here. Here's my salary. This doesn't change from week to week, but here's my sales and my commission. This will change depending on how much I sell for the company. So total earnings is going to be the salary plus the commission, and the commission is your sales times the commission rate. So these two items multiplied together are the commission. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this example for total earnings. I'm going to write my formula. Total earnings, I'm going to abbreviate, equals the salary plus my commission rate times the amount of sales. Now we're just going to plug the numbers in. So what's my salary for the week? $750. I have to multiply to get my commission. My rate is 9%, so I'm going to multiply 0.09 times my sales of $3,000. Well, since my 3,000 times 0.09 is in parentheses, I'm going to do that first. So when I multiply 0.09 times 3,000, I get 270. And I'm going to add that to my salary. My salary doesn't change. All we're doing is adding it in. And when I total those together, this person earned $1,020. Okay? Okay, here's another example. This time we have a salary of $650. We have a rate of 4% on sales of $1,250. So we're going to go ahead and write our formula for total earnings, which is going to be the salary. And we're going to add that to our rate times our sales. So we're going to go ahead and plug those numbers in. So total earnings equals $650 plus 0.04 times $1,250. When we calculate that out, we get 0.04 times $1,250 is 50. We're going to add that to the 650. So our total earnings is going to equal $700. Okay, here are your got it problems. The first problem is just finding the commission, and we've been working with finding percent of a number for quite a while. So this one's pretty simple. You're just multiplying by the decimal. Change the percent to a decimal to get your answer. Now, problems 2 and 3 are your total earnings. So look back on the other side or where you wrote down the formula and make sure that you have that written down so that you can do these problems. I would write the formula on the page that you're working on so that you can refer to it. Remember, salary is never changed or multiplied by anything. It's just added. Okay, salary is always added once you do your calculation. Okay, so good luck with these problems. We'll talk about them when you get done with them, and if you have any questions, just let me know.